After thousands of optical corrections and testing by Japanese designers, they created an extreme focal length phone wide-angle lens, a 16 mm wide phone lens which can catch 2.5 times more picture, perfectly compatible with iPhone, Samsung Galaxy and Note, Pixel and more, but not suitable for phones with wide-angle function. Later in this video, I will share with you some pictures captured with and without using the Rovtop 16mm HD wide-angle phone lens. Without any further delay, let's get started. The Rovtop 16mm HD wide-angle lens Amazon purchase link is given in the description. This is a product review for the Rovtop Professional High Definition 16mm wide-angle lens. This lens is compatible with the iPhone, Samsung Galaxy and Note, Pixel and more. Wide-angle lens is perfect for shooting of people, pets, travel scenery, landscapes, architecture, selfies and up-close photos where you want wide angle. I captured some photos and I was really amazed with the quality. Now I can take high definition pictures for my video thumbnails and I can record high quality videos for my electronics tutorials using my Samsung Galaxy S7. Inside this box we have this little card that says to contact the manufacturer if you are not happy with the product. The lens comes packed into this hard case. One thing I like about it is that it's got a hard case. Some of the other lenses I have seen do not have a hard case, so you don't have something to protect it with if you are putting it in a backpack or something like that. It also comes with a lanyard for you to hook to it if you need to wrap it around your wrist. And lastly, we have a welcome guide which explains how you can use this lens. Let's go ahead, open up the case and see what we have inside. We have a soft cloth storage bag. Next to it there is a microfiber cleaning cloth. We have this attaching bracket. One thing that I like about this bracket compared to other ones is that it has this adjustable screw knob used to keep the clip secured tightly to your phone. This thing slides back and forth. This allows you to be able to connect it to any type of phone because the lens is in different spots on each phone. Now here is the lens itself. This is a 16mm HD wide angle lens. Have a nice weight and feels premium. According to the manufacturer, it's made with the aircraft grade aluminum and weighs in it about 85 grams. It has a diameter of 4 cm and height 3 cm. It's got a dust cover on the back. The cover in the front seems to be made of the same metal as the body of the lens. Having a look at the lens, this thing really does look and feel premium. So now let's go ahead and have a look at how we are going to attach this to our phone. First, attach the clip and get it lined up as close as possible. Later we can do some minor adjustments if needed. Finally, attach the lens. If you see dark shade, make some small fine adjustments. So that's it. So now I'm going to make a video and take some pictures with and without using the lens. For more details, click on the purchase link given in the description.